Oh, they look like good pancakes, Valian. Oh, they are. I tried them already. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, and bacon, too. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Oh, man, what a good breakfast. Yep, and now we will need you. He does? Yes. Okay, I'll be right down. Valian is gone. And now I could say we're going to Sausage Tree this November. Yep, we are going to Sausage Tree. It's just gonna be me, my family, the calling crew, and Valian. And it's gonna be his plentifully surprise. Wilbur needed to see Valian to check out the cans and bottles outside. And it's a wonderful turnout. Yep, it is a wonderful turnout. And Valian's coming back. Really? He's coming back? And he was glad all about Team Brainiac's turnout. He is? Yes, I am pretty proud of that. Hopefully we win. Yeah, hopefully you win, Valian.